Hello and welcome to Hardway Learning. Today we are discussing one of the most useful tools that I have ever purchased for my car, and it is this little Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. Got it off Amazon, not sponsored by Amazon, but I've had this for like 4 years. It's only $10 and it has allowed me to diagnose several check engine lights. And one thing that's really annoying with the check engine light on the Subaru is once the check engine light goes off, I can't use cruise control anymore. It's only $10. You can get it on Amazon, and then you just connect it to your phone using the Torque app. Little Bluetooth reader. You go into the Torque app. I have the premium version, but there is a free version that can still do everything. I just didn't want the ads. So we're gonna plug this bucket in, show you how to use it. Plug your little OBD2 scanner in here. Put the accessories on. It's gonna beep a bunch. Make sure that you pair with it. So you go to Bluetooth, OBD2, connect. Maybe I go into Torque. Settings, OBD2 adapter settings, choose Bluetooth device. We're already selected it. We go back. Connected to ECU connected, logging enabled. We go into here. We can scan for faults, scanning. It shows us, oh, the O2 sensor is. You can web lookup, which is beautiful. You come into here, look at Mr. Rainier here. Beautiful, beautiful headshot there. Heated oxygen sensor. So that tells me that first O2 sensor is potentially bad. Well, joke's on you, we disconnected it for this demonstration, so we'll go plug that guy back in. O2 sensor is right in this corner, the plug right here, and then it's first one after like the manifold basically, right before the cap. There, we can go back into Torque here, and we're still connected wirelessly, beautifully, with our phone here. Fault codes and clear faults on ECU. Gives you this beautiful warning, basically saying you don't want to clear stuff. If you don't know what you're doing, hit OK. We don't know what we're doing, but we clear stuff anyways because we're crazy. Clearing the faults. Completed. Go back over to the cabin. What's that? Our check engine light is gone. We can use cruise again. And with that, my friends, for only $10, you can be your own mechanic. Replacing O2 sensors, resetting check engine code so you can sell your beater on Craigslist. Do not recommend, that's kind of a mean thing to do. But if you wanted to, that's what you could do. So stay tuned, we're in the middle of a transmission issue on the Miata. Well, it's not really an issue, it's just a matter of not being able to get any frickin' bolts undone to get the transmission off. Dude, I don't even know what time of day it is. Tried getting the manifold off, we tried getting the exhaust off, and we are stripping and rounding off bolts, so we're gonna continue that project another time. But with that, thank you for watching. Let us know how terrible we are. We will be doing clutch on the Miata for stage 1 flying Miata, Happy Meal, lightweight flywheel, happy blah, 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 so we can turbocharge the car. We've got a Mega Squirt coming soon. Well, we have a Mega Squirt, we have a wideband O2, we need to get a GM IAT, then we can Mega Squirt the car, run it while it's naturally aspirated, and then turbocharge the car. So we'll be showing you that in the next coming months. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button. Let us know what we can improve, let us know what you liked, and we'll see you next time.